Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be opening up 2 more Dollar Tree Yu-Gi-Oh card packs. Right? So, sure y'all know what's going on in the world. So, the opening clothing, who knows. So, hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, and let's get right to the opening, okay? First one. So, how's everyone been? Alright, ready? Yeah, let's get the focus. Meta Knight Orange Sunset. Link Hole. Die Dance. Euler Circuit. Dangle. FA Turbocharger. FA Pit Stop. Okay. Capacitor Stalker. Duck Dummy. Sniffer Dragon. Ooh, Edge Crawler. The Link Monster.
That's it. Now I'm shooting.
And the rare is ooh, Shining Hope Road. All 3 but
Matthew, what are you doing? Videos?
ooh, that looks cool. That's pretty good rare. Oh, and look, I'm sure you can see on camera, but the border goes. Dude, stop! I'm trying to do a video here.
I know.
And leave me be.
Oh, you're gonna tell me that you wouldn't do that?
Sorry about that. That's Pat. Alright.
Dude, please stop.
Put the rare to the back. First card is Sylviant Cherub Sprout. And we got Frank Kid. And there's that. Ooh, Super Armored Robot Armed Blast Iron Sea. That's a new one. Ooh, Guard Dragon. That's new. Gain of Heaven and Earth. Whoa. Black Soldier Gaia. Hey, that'd be great in a Gaia deck. Snowplow Hustle Russell. New. Ooh, Crusadia Vanguard. Symphonetic Warrior Guitar. The Pendulum Launcher. Reject Reborn. Nice. Machine Angel Ritual. Summon a Cyber Angel. Alright. Rare is the Fusion Tag.
Matthew, you should do a joke of the day.
Alright. So. If you all enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, maybe even subscribe. And if the subscribe button is red, meaning you have not subscribed yet, meaning you're missing out on my videos. And make sure you hit the bell icon, that you'll then be notified when I upload. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.